Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission is back with another breakfast recipe because we're running out of ideas for breakfast at home, so I need a new option. What do you got for me?
Well, this is a great colorful recipe, and it's easy to make because you can make it the night before and then just stick it in the oven, and so it's ready. So be great for the weekend or for moms that are looking for that hot breakfast to have this winter when it starts getting cooler. We'll have it. It uses tater tots, or the little tater bites here, and it's 4 cups of them, and I've just lined them up there with a layer and greased my dish first. Now we're going to layer on all of our other ingredients. We have 8 ounces of sausage, and if you wanted spicy sausage, you could use another kind of sausage. This is just regular sausage, so that's that layer, and I just cooked it until it was brown. And then for meat lovers, we have bacon, and this is 4 strips of bacon that I cooked and cut those bacon and sausage. So for those meat lovers, we've got it all covered. Then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of chopped onion over that. And then, even from our gardens right now, we have lots of peppers and things. I'm going to do a 1/2 cup of green pepper, and then you have a 1/2 cup of red bell pepper.
It smells so fresh and delicious already.
And it's so colorful. I love that we have that. Then we're going to mix our mixture here. I have 1 cup of the soy beverage, 3 eggs that I just slightly beat just a little bit to help with the mixing, and then a little bit of salt and pepper. We're just going to mix that up here in our measuring cup and pour this over our mixture here, Alyssa, and we can put that then, there we go, put that over here. And it's just enough. It's not a lot, but just enough to kind of hold that all together. Then you are going to put the cheese.
Yum.
This is cheddar cheese, but you could use any kind of cheese that you wanted, especially if you use spicy sausage. Maybe a spicy cheese might be good
that's
too.
A good idea.
Going to put this in the refrigerator, or you could bake it. And it's going to bake. I like to cover it with foil, and I sprayed my foil first because then that'll keep that cheese from sticking to it. Bake it for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. Take the foil off and bake it for another 25 minutes just until it's nice and firm. Check a knife and make sure the eggs are all set. And there you have it.
Yes, we got the beautiful finished product over here, and it smells amazing too. I can't wait to try it.
Thank you.
So where can people find the recipe, Charlene?
Yes, they should go to our website at kansassoybeans.org or call our 800 number 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll mail them the recipes.
Perfect. And celebrate National Breakfast Month with us by making these delicious recipes. What are we going to be making at midday?
We are going to do these wonderful orange granola muffins.
Yum. Another breakfast recipe, so stick around for that at midday in Kansas. Charlene, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, we'll be right back.